I have here in the first question, I have g power of 9 and then g to the power of 2. I need to subtract the power like this. So this is will be g to the power of 9 minus 2 uh, to the power of 7, 7 plus 2, which is 9. And then here we need to multiply 5 times the coefficient of k to the power of 3. There is 1 here, no number here, so should be number 1. So 5 by 1, coefficient by coefficient equals to number 5. And then k to the power of k power of 2 multiplied by k power of 3, k power of 2 multiplied by k power of 3. So should be k to the power of 5. So here k to the power of 5. And then 5 multiplied by 4 like this, bring down the adding more sign, 5 by 4, which is 20. And there is no coefficient here, bring down k squared. And this is your final answer for the expand here. I need to factorize this question. Please open two brackets. There is no equal here, 0. So you have to turn on two brackets like this. And then x multiplied by x gives us x squared. This is the first term in your quadratic equation. The quadratic equation like this. What is the form of quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c. So x by x equals to x squared. I need two factors. I need two factors of 63. When you're adding these two factors by each other, adding by integer, you can find minus 2. So 9 by 7 equals to 63. But here in the middle term, I have minus 2. So I will bring down minus or take away sign beside number 9. So should be x minus 9 and this is x plus 7. If you multiply 9 by 7 equals to 63, minus 9 by positive 7 equals to minus 63. And if you want to check your answer by multiplying in by in and out by out, so minus 9x and then positive 7x equals to minus how many x? Minus 2x, and this is your middle term. So your answer is completely right. Here, the same question or the same concept here, but I have here, this is equivalent to this. So you have to write x minus 2, separate them and put each one of them equivalent to 0 like this. So x1 equals to positive 9. Flip the sign to the other side. So here you have to write your answer here down. X1 equals to positive 9. And what is the other bracket? Should be x adding more 7 here like this equals to 0. So x2 equals to take away 7. So write x2 here equals to take away 7. Write your answer very clear to understand this very well. So please, when you are doing this kind of question, you have to be sure that here bring down minus 2y and then bring down minus 12 and you have to change the sign of 7, put it to the other side with constant, and will be here opposite sign. So I have to bring down minus 2y like this and then minus 3y opposite positive 3 instead of positive 3 will be minus 3y and then bring down your sign, bring down minus 12 after the sign in take away and then change the sign of 7 will be minus 7 like this. Combine them together. So should be minus 5y smaller than minus 19. When you are dividing by takeaway sign or takeaway number, you have to flip the sign. Instead of smaller than, should be like this. Y more than positive 19 over positive 5. And this is your final answer. So you have to make it like this. I have the simultaneous equation. I have this question, 4x plus 3y equals to 9.6, and then down I have 6x plus 5y equals to 16.8. What should I need to do? I need to multiply. I need to find the common factor between 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. Very easy. So, can I multiply for the A in equation 1? Can I multiply it by minus 5 or positive 5 here and minus 3 down? To have here positive 15y and to have here down to the second equation minus 15y, to cancel them and then to find the value of x by this way. So I have to multiply equation 1 by positive 5 and down like this. So 4 by 5 equals to 20, 20x plus 15y equals to 9.6 multiplied by 5 equals to 48, positive 48. And then in equation 2, I need to multiply by minus. So minus 3, 6 by minus 3 equals to minus 18, and then minus 15y here. And then after that, I have to multiply 16.8 multiplied by take away 3. So the answer should be minus 50.4. Add them by integer and cancel y with y. Add them by integers. So positive 20 minus 18. 20 minus 18 equals to 2. Positive 2x equals to positive 48 minus 50.4. 48 minus 50.4 equals to minus 2.4, and then divide by 2 from these two sides. This is very easy. 2 divide by 2, which is 1. So minus 1 point and 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So this is minus 1.2. This is the value of x. How can I get the value of y? From the main equation that you have. Substitute x for minus 1.2 like this. Where is my equation? 4x plus 3y. The equation is 4 multiplied by minus 1.2. This is substituted for x here. And 3y, adding more 3y equals to 9.6 here. Okay. And then 4 multiplied by 4 times 1.2 equals to minus 4.8 plus 3y equals to 9.6. I need to make it like this. Answer this equation to find the value of y. Bring down 3y equals to bring down 9.6 with its sign. Switch the sign to be positive 4.8. So 4.8 plus 9.6 equals to 14.4, and then divide your answer by 3. You can find the value of y, very simple. So 14.4 equals to 4.8. If you want to check your answer, you can make it like this. You want to check your answer, is it correct? Okay, we get x equals to minus 1.2 and y equals to 4.8. Okay, that's fine. Substitute x and y for the value that you get it. If your answer get it 9.6, so your answer is correct. Use your calculator and write 4 multiplied by minus 1.2 plus 3 multiplied by 4.8. Your answer will be 9.6. So you get it right. Your answer is correct. I have the triple bracket like this. I need to multiply 3x by 2 equals to 6x and then in by in and out by out, in by in and out by out like this. 1 by 2, which is 2, 3x by x equals to minus 3x squared, and then 1 by minus x equals to minus x. And don't forget that you have to multiply this after you combine the like terms by 4 plus x. So 6x minus x equals to how much? Bring down the x squared first, minus 3x squared first, bring it down. And 6 minus 1 equals to positive 5x and bring down plus 2. Don't forget that we have to multiply each one of them by 4 and each one of them by x. Okay? Can we make it like this? 4 multiplied by minus 3, 4 by positive 5, 4 by 2. And then write your answer. 4 by minus 3 minus 12x squared and then plus 20x and then 2 by 4, which is 8. And then after that, I need to multiply x by 3x squared, x by 5x, and then x by 2. Okay, x by minus 3x squared equals to minus 3x to the power of 3. X by 5x equals to 5x squared, and then 2 by x equals to 2x. Combine the like terms together. We have here, this is x squared, underline x squared, and square this, so don't confuse, and then x, make zigzag like down x. So bring down minus 3x to the power of 3, and then combine x squared minus 12 plus 5 equals to minus 7x squared. And then x together, 20 plus 2 equals to 22, 22x. And then adding more 8 constants, we have only one constant number. So this is your final answer. In this question B, I have to know that if I have 2 to the power of minus 3, so I need to cancel this minus. So this is 2 over 1. So I want this number to be power of positive number, not takeaway number. So can I make it half power of 3? This one equal than this one. If you have 5 over 7 power of minus 4, so this is equals to 7 over 5 power of positive 4. This is equal this one. Okay? So you need to know this first. We want to do this question. That one. So a to the power of 3, b over a to the power of 9, b to the power of 5, close the bracket to the power of minus half. Can I upside down this and cancel this takeaway sign? The takeaway sign to be, so a power of 9, b power of 5 over a power of 3, and then b power of positive half, not takeaway. So this is the first step. You have to do it like this. After that, I need to multiply half by 9, half by 5, half by 3, half by 1, like this. So this is equals to a power of half by 9 equals to 9 over 2. Write your answer in a fraction. 5 multiplied by half equals to 5 over 2 over a power of 3 over 2, b power of half. And then we need to subtract 9 minus 2, 9 over 2 minus 3 over 2, and 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 to find the power of A and to find the power of B. So the power of A, the power of A, 9 minus, make it here like this, 9 over 2 minus 3 over 2 equals to 6 over 2. 6 over 2 equals to 3. So the power of A equals to 3. And then B, 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 equals to 4 over 2. So this is equivalent to 2. Please write it like this in your notes. So this is B squared. And this is your final A cubed B squared. Exactly like this. I have here in this kind of question, this is quadratic. This is quadratic, a completing squared question. So I will do it with you now. I have here in this question, coefficient of x squared equals to 2. So I need to divide by coefficient of x squared. So A will be outside. So I have to divide, find it like this. A highest common factor will be 2 divided by 2, which is 1 and minus 11 over 2. I have to write it and close this bracket and write x and then plus 9. Don't forget that I have to divide b divide by 2 and write this 11 over 2 divide by 2 and subtract it and put it in a squared like this. Okay, so I have to divide by b 11 over 2 for b, 11 over 2 for b, divided by 2, and then 11 over 2 divide by 2, this b divide by 2, but in takeaway sign here outside. So we have to have a big bracket and small bracket like this. So I have to make it like this, 2 multiply by big bracket x minus 11 over 4. This is squared minus 11 over 4 in squared plus 9. Close the big bracket. Don't forget that when you are doing this one, you have to multiply this one by 2 to cancel this big bracket. So bring down number 2 and then answer this first. The small bracket x minus 11 over 4 squared minus 121 over 16, close this, plus 9. When you are multiply 2 by this, 2 multiply by this, I will make cross simplifying, so 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. So, and then I have to cancel this bracket and bring down number 2 beside the small bracket only, this one. So minus 121 over 16 equals to 121 over 8. Adding this fraction with this one, you can find the final answer, 121 over 8 minus, put it in the calculator, turn on your calculator, right, minus 121 over 8 plus 9, you can find the answer should be minus 49 over 8. So the final answer equals to this one. And combine them. So 2x minus 11 over 4 squared, minus 49 over 8. This is your final answer. If I want to make the double bracket here, m by m equals to m squared, 5 by m equals to 5m, minus 8 by m equals to minus 8m, and then 5 by 8 equals to minus 40. Combine the like terms together, so this is equals to, minus 3m minus 40. minus 8 positive 5 equals to minus 3. And bring down m squared and the constant like this. In this kind of question, I don't want this fraction. I don't want this equation down 3. So if you have any number here down, you can multiply this number by this side. Okay? So this is over 1, this 1 by 1, and this is 1 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3n minus 4, close this bracket, equals to 5n plus 6. You can 3 by 3 and 3 by 4, so 3 by 3 equals to 9, minus 12 equals to 5n plus 6, and then bring down 9n minus 5n equals to 6 on its sign, and switch this to be positive 12, and then 9 minus 5, which is 4n, equals to 6 plus 12 equals to 18, and then n equals to 18 divided by 4. To simplify, this is equals to 9 over 2, so n equals to 9 over 2. This is your final answer for this. Okay. Adding by fraction, unlike fraction, if I have this is over 4x and this is equation over 3x to 2x plus 1 over 4x plus 7 minus 5x over 3x as a single fraction in a simplest form, so I have to multiply 3x by 2x plus 1 and multiply 4x expanded bracket by this one, and this is by this one, and this one multiply by this one. So I have to make it like this, 3 by 3x multiply by 2x plus 1 like this, and then plus 4x multiply by 7 minus 5x over 4 by 3, which is 12x squared. And then expanded bracket, 3x by x equals to 6x squared plus 3x plus 4 times 7 equals to 28x minus 4 by 5 equals to minus 20x over 12x squared. So I need to combine the like terms. So 3x plus 28, 3x plus 28, like this. 3 plus 28 minus 20 equals to 11. One more time, 3x by 2x equals to 3 by 2, 6x squared. 3x by 1 equals to number 1, 3x. 4 by 7 equals to 28x. And then 4 by 5 minus 20x squared. This is minus 20x squared. So combine x squared with x squared. 6 minus 20 equals to minus 14x squared. Combine x squared with x squared. And then 28 plus 3 equals to 31x over 12x squared. What is the highest common factor between these two numbers? You can x power of 1 is the highest common factor. So this is how many left over? 14x plus 31 over 12x squared. I need to cancel this x with x that 1 down. So how many left over with us? Here the final answer should be minus 14x squared plus 31 over 12x. Like this. Okay, like this. How can I factorize this? I have to open two brackets. Y by y equals to y squared. 4 by 5 equals to 20. And 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 4 by 5 equals to 20, but minus 5 and minus 4, minus 5 by minus 4 equals to positive 20, and minus 5 plus minus 4 equals to minus 9. So minus 4y minus 5y equals to minus 9y. Minus 4 by minus 5 equals to positive 9, and this is your final answer.